people wetin concern na wetin concern na and this lady wetin concern na unto the matter say person dey gbadun himself now, you know that kind thing. Una come outside come dey talk I go say na wetin concern na person dey he carry one another person carry am he dey chop bola now see e be like the video wey Nkechi Blessing do, wey Nkechi Blessing come begin to come outside say some people go dey think say because of saying go out with somebody, e mean say wey dem wan go out with am or people wey wan go out with am, or dem say because say this person don chop am the thing no go see sweet like that. She two video dey tell people say no go think like that o, if you wan chop see come o, the thing if you sef reach there go know say the thing dey kampe, no be like say dem don chop am say na so the thing dey sweet o. Na the same thing na unto the same parole na im media and all these other people dey now. Make we see na wetin make me dey talk na these people wey come outside o for comment section for one blogger side, and I know the blogger wey dey do am now. He get we do on the power na the blogger be that. I can't talk more than that. So now if somebody come outside, the person say this Mide na bad mouth and very loose with men. Ajonoku igbolo am, I don't go talk that one. If FUK am finish, forget am for hotel. MC2 carry am last. Damola Olatunji number 3 that year. Well done, sir. Kolade Highlander number 4. Twale, sir. Very shitty housewife forming angel online. 12 we move. Abeg make it dey move dey go. Wetin be all this one wey you dey bring come show us now? And I know wetin cause this matter now. Unto the matter say Mide brother Damilare Peters wey their mama Funmi Martins born before she peme. So people come, the boy come outside come dey beg people say make dem help am o, say him papa Shina Peter and him sister, you know that kind nobody wey go come outside with Peters or Martins wey you no go say these people dem get name na, how dem go come get person like that wey dey suffer. Funmi Martins, if you know person wey be Funmi Martins na veteran person wey say if to say she still dey now e go dey that rank of that Mama Rainbow, their rank. I'm telling you, all these people they popular well. Maybe she for just be in that Mama Rainbow rank, just take am like that. Now so this Funmi Martins dey. So the pikin wey him born before he die, you know, Shina Peters, you know, take care of her. Even Mide Peters, and Shina Peters release, Sir Shina Peters release for inside video say he be trained Mide Martins and him other brother Tunde Martins. He train all those one. But why you no come train the one wey say dem born for you wey in the bear Peters? So now that matter now people come outside now you come bring this kind of comments now where people come they begin to, you know, when somebody fuck up like this, now that time they come, when breeze come blow, nyash come open, go come they see so many things. Another person self come still come add join that statement where that person make. He come say, how did you know this story? And so myself I wonder how you use know the story, Oga. He can't continue. He say now true. That one can't shock me pass. You ask the person, say, I used to know the story. Now you can't say not true. You can't continue. You say, you must be an insider to know this much. Mide be low key, chopping bola here and there with a running mouth. She can bad mouth, no be small. And her own words, I once lived in the same house with them that year, owned by one young guy called Amo. Wow. So what the people they try talk now be say as he be for film, now so he be for real life. Yeah? It dey run mouth. If you watch a film, want to weigh me alive for a film. If I dey watch film where say then put somebody where they do boo where they put fire for inside film. If I see the person, I say this one you know be like Mide. I wish say na Mide Martins fit act this one. Mide Martins no go dey do smell like this. I like her personally, and so many people too like her for that thing wey they do for film. But you know, people who come dey wonder say na like that. Even when they interview and they go ask her say, shey as you dey do for film na so you dey for real life, she go say no be true, no be like that o. Film na film now. When they say make you act thief, you act thief. If they say make you act angel, you act angel. If they say make you act pastor, you act. If they say anything wey role bring, they carry. But now people dey say no be matter of anything wey role bring o. This angel one I dey see wey dey say him be angel for outside the movie na lie o. Say almost like 4 or 5 people wey dem mention their name say they don chop am finish o. Una remember say that finish wey I use Nkechi don come tell us say make una forget they never chop anything finish. If you come you go see me. Abi wetin the first guy meet, the second guy we still meet am, the third guy still meet am, the fourth guy still meet am. Abi so and na wetin the husband sef dey meet, still dey meet the thing. So what is the matter there? Abeg people as I use that, people be careful what you say up and down. Una go dey carry wawulanzi everywhere. Wawulanzi everywhere. Wetin wawulanzi everywhere. You cannot leave this lady. Me, I like the lady. Whether you don't chop Gola, you chop MCO, you chop Janoko, you chop Olatunji, you chop Kolade Islander. What is the problem, sir? I think the problem as a talker, now be say he no take care of his younger brother. And that one the pay people pass, because I know say if to say other one no come out now, maybe if they talk calm, people go come outside. You go see get backup people, you know, those fans go say, man, I leave her. No, she na only she. This one no do am. This one no do am. She will not know of Nkechi. She will not know of this one. I don't want to mention name again. Why they mention Nkechi? We say Nkechi come out, come talk her. I like that. In fact, I like her. You know they hide anything. She no be like saying, no, come outside next week. Because they say Nkechi, you they do like this, you can just dey laugh on her. I mean, no be the video where she do, where she dey kiss that Ekiti politician, I mean, your politician. He kiss her for video, he paste her. All other superstar wey they did there, they see him. So don't be like say tomorrow we go come say, this person they marry senator, this person they marry president. You, I think that lifestyle for good though. Maybe people like this or this kind story like this for no come outside. Anyway, as the person wey start the matter now say he move now, make me say where I move.
Please subscribe, share this video, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends to subscribe to this